Hey guys, Zash here from hashtag. So today is something special that Sony backed the camera industries. Sony are one of the leading camera sensor maker. I think you know about this. Even my smartphone has Sony IMX sensor. But why Sony smartphones are not ranked in the best camera smartphone? Even flagship like Samsung, Gold Pixel and also iPhone are ranked in the best camera smartphones. But many of them are buying sensors from Sony and others camera sensor industries. Why Sony so weak in smartphone camera ranking? So here is the answer. According to trusted reviews interview with Sony's senior manager of the global marketing, they mentioned that there was a problem in post-processing. Lots of the photo quality of the smartphone camera has to do with post-processing. This was a huge issue for the smartphone team. This decision was made because the company did not want to cannibalize its more expensive alpha cameras. They thought that if their smartphones were taking good enough photos, then they would lose sales of the regular cameras. But this time changing, with adding some of the features from Sony alpha cameras in their new flagship smartphone Sony Xperia 1. However, Sony Xperia 1 will be the company's first smartphone with alpha style cameras. So what do you think about this? Sony will back to camera ranking? Let me know your thought about this topic in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe this channel for new tech updates and news. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching. I'm Ashra from hashtag. Peace out.